Hi everyone. So we recently actually came from our trip to India in February, and just like everybody else, we had actually gone to Kumbh Mela. And in Kumbh Mela, we actually came across this vendor, Vedic Cosmos. I had not heard about them, but they actually sell beautiful illustrated Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. So we decided to purchase a complete set of Ramayana from Vedic Cosmos, and they actually ended up shipping it all the way to US. So here's the unboxing video that I would like to share with you. And again, this is the outer box, which I've actually removed, but the packing was really awesome. I mean, you can see all the bubble wraps here, and lots of cardboard surrounding the main box. But here's the main box. Here's the Ramayana box, and inside this are the three main books, basically composing all the canons of Ramayana. But I'm just going to kind of walk you through this a little bit, show it to you all the way around. Here's another beautiful picture. So let's start unboxing. Okay, so I'm going to start unpacking this. And you can see how easily it comes off. It's pretty neat. It's very well packed. Okay. So here's the first look of what it looks like. I think this is the desk or a bench where you can keep the books and read. But as I had mentioned, it consists of various cands. The first one is the Bal Kand and the Ayodhya Kand. The second drawer here is Aryan Kand, Kishkinda Kand, and Sundar Kand. And the last one is the Yudh Kand and Uttara Kand. Here's the information for Vedic Cosmos, and here's a beautiful bookmark that they gave us. This actually is from the Bhagavad Gita, so we actually asked them to give us a bookmark from Bhagavad Gita, and so this is the one that they gave us. But there's also three separate bookmarks that are specific to Ramayana that are included in this box. And here's some information that they included in this, including this user manual. So here's the wooden box. I just wanted to, before I move it, I just wanted to kind of show it across and see, and just kind of give you an idea on how it was packed. But this is where the books are kept. There are three books, and obviously, and you can see how beautifully it is designed and all the paintings made. And here's the instruction user manual / user manual. It basically says that this wooden box is made up of solid maple wood, and then it has beautiful color illustrations. Obviously we saw that, and it's tiltable and 360-degree rootable, so it's really well designed and well made. So the next, I think we'll just kind of remove this, and I'm gonna show you how this will all come together, and an example of what the book looks like. Okay, so I just ended up removing the complete wooden box from this cardboard box, the packaging, and here's how it looks. This is the front. See the exquisite design, beautiful painting. This is the top. And these are the sides. Here's a depiction of Hanumanji meeting Sita in Ashok Vatika. Here's another picture of coronation of Sri Ram. And then this side, it's either Vishwamitra or Ram's guru. Can't remember his name now, but and then Ram and Lakshman, or Guru Vashishta probably. All right, I think I'll just start with the unpacking of this, and then we'll put it together, and then I'll show you the next. I'll open one of these books and show you how it looks from the inside. Okay, so I just ended up removing the packaging tapes that was holding the reading stand. And so for now, temporarily, I just put them on these box. But here you can see, here's how the box looks like, or the wooden box that looks like. Now this reading stand basically rotates 360 degrees. It can go all the way. And here's how it'll come up. That's the back side. This is where it comes down. And then this bow-shaped wooden piece comes out from here. Very, very nice design. And this is where you would normally keep the book and read. Again, it can be read. You can rotate this. Can be read from different angle, different direction. It's pretty cool. Pretty neat design. Again, this is the side. And then this is the back side. One thing that is very unique and very neat about this illustration and picture is that, as you can see, the mukut which Lord Ram and Lord Sita Mata is wearing, they have Swarovski stones mounted on them. So, anyways. All right, next we'll open up these drawers one by one, and then we'll look at the books. Okay, so now we will open one of the books, basically the first one, I guess, the Balkand and the Ayodhya Kand, and we'll go through it, and I can just show you some illustrations in the book. But again, there are 3 drawers in here, and the first drawer, let's open the first drawer and see what's inside. Okay, so this is the first drawer, which has the book, which is combined Balkand and the Ayodhya Kand. Along with this, there is a sandalwood fragrance sachet that was provided by Vedic Cosmos. There is also a bookmark which is included. And let's open this first, I think, sorry. Okay, so here's the first bookmark. It's a metal bookmark, very beautiful, which shows Ram, Lakshman, and Guru Vashishta. And along with the book, they've also included the original Valmiki Ramayana in a wooden format, I guess. These are the original Sanskrit shloks that are written on wood, which resembles more like the palm leaf of the old times. Very beautifully packed, very neatly packed. It's amazing. The first one is the Balkand. You can see how beautiful it looks. And here it says Balkand and Ayodhya Kand. Okay, so let's keep this on the side. And this is the book. Now, let's put it up here first before we open it. Okay. Okay, so it's very neatly packed. The other thing that I would like to mention here is that this book, the first book is about 500 pages, I think 460 or 70 pages. It's supposed, according to Vedic Cosmos, it's basically Italian paper that's imported. And the ink, I'm not sure what they had about the ink. I think it's also an imported ink, but they stand by the product. I mean, they basically guarantee this product, and this, according to them, this, you can pass this on from generation to generation, and this book and the quality will still be maintained. So very neat and beautiful. Okay, let's take a peek inside the second drawer before we open the book. So this is the second drawer, which has the Aryan Kand, Kishkinda Kand, and Sundar Kand. And again, here's what the content look like. So again, one book. So the 3 Kands are combined into this one book. And again, same thing as in the previous one. Has Ramayana basically written in a wooden, Sanskrit shloks basically written in the wooden format. On wooden paper, I guess, on wooden marker. Not sure what to call this, but. And then this is the bookmark for the second book. It's very beautiful. And this is the second drawer. Second book in the second drawer. And let's see the third one. The third one actually contains the Yud Kand and the Uttarakhand. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Same thing, I won't remove this for now, but it's pretty much the same. Oh, actually, you know what, let's just look at the bookmark and see how it looks. Yeah, these bookmarks are amazing. Okay, now so I just removed this packaging. And it's time to open the book. So it looks very beautiful. This is the front cover, obviously, and you can see some of the Swarovski stones that are embedded on this picture. Let's look on the back side. This is how the back looks. It's very beautiful. Obviously, Vedic Cosmos is where we purchased it from. Now, this is the signature edition. So there are other versions available, but this version is called the signature edition. And here's the spine of the book. Looks so beautiful. Okay, let's open it and see. Okay. So very beautiful illustrations. This is Ram and Lakshman protecting the yajna of sage Vishwamitra. Again, it's very the book. It's very beautiful. I mean, the paper quality is amazing. It's very thick. Feels very good to the touch. You can almost feel the writing on the paper itself. Very beautiful. Now here are a list of all the chapters in Balkand. and list of all the chapters in Ayodhya Kand. Okay. Now, one thing that what Vedic Cosmos, when I was purchasing this book, what they have told me was that these illustrations are basically, made specifically for this book. So in other words, you will not find any of these illustrations in any form of paintings or anywhere else. They were specifically created for this book. So the way the book is actually written is, on one side it's Hindi, and then obviously there's a translation on the other side, which is in English. And that's how the narrative goes for most of this. I think this book is about 450 to 500 pages, not exactly sure. And I think roughly most of these, all the three books are somewhere in that ballpark. The second book, I think, which comprises of, again, Aryan Kand, Kishkinda Kand, and Sundar Kand, I think are about 550 pages. And then the last one is around 600 pages, I think. Okay. Look at this, beautiful. And I'm pretty sure this should be depicting Ayodhya. Very creative. I think this is when sage Vishwamitra came to Dasharath's court asking for help and requesting the Maharaj to take Ram and Lakshmana with him. So one thing I'm not sure about is how many illustrations does this book have. I think if you were to go on Vedic Cosmos website, I'm pretty sure you'll find that information. But anyways, there it is. I'm not going to go through this entire book. You have the idea. And thank you for watching the video.